What's up, squad? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dylan. It's another hot summer day, and as you can see, I pulled out the Miata, which means it's time to do some more work to it. So it's time to do some more work to the Miata, Project Miata. As you guys saw in the last one, I picked up a set of coilovers, roll defenders. You know what that means. Today is time to finally lower the car. I'm already packed up. This car can barely fit anything, so I had to put the coilover box over there. Couldn't fit in the trunk. So today we're gonna head out. I'm gonna be at Adrian's crib. We're gonna crush this coilover install. Hopefully we can do it quick. I'm just trying to see this car low, slammed, stanced. I'm playing, but I'm just trying to see the results. Let's head out. Let's get this done. Time to hop in the whip. Love the wood grain steering wheel. Is it working?
It's rusted.
Yeah, that's the thing, we were struggling with it earlier.
Oh,
So what are we doing?
Okay, so change of plans. We're trying to lower the car, but this car is hella rusty. We're gonna be changing the lights, make this car more aggressive. Get rid of these ones, make it more sleepy. So we've got the LEDs over there. Just gonna remove the stuff and then do it.
Show them.
Ooh, that's fine.
I
What
see.
is that, 7-inch LED light bar? It's gonna look dope. Yes, sir.
Let me see it. Let me see that. Bam.
It's not a matter of
This.
That's not small. It's not supposed to be there.
Bolt. Yeah, it's in the bag. Alright, so changing the LED lights to the LED light bar to match with the DRL. This is gonna be much brighter. I already mounted the first one. It's not wired up yet, it just needs to be tightened. But when you lower this, 1 second. We're starting to drill the next side, but when you lower this, saw that? That's what it looks like. You got that aggressive look. We just have to wire it up. It's looking tough.
Looking really nice.
It's looking tough.
Looking good?
Yeah.
Looking Bleskies? Okay.
Alright, let's go. Adrian with the cuts. So we got these light bars mounted up, adjusted perfectly. Now we're just working on the wiring. So it's pretty easy. Red with black stripe goes with the red one. Black to black. Now we're done.
A little high beams DIY, you know, when you don't have the tool. Yeah.
Stripping the wire.
Rate this install, how hard is it?
Out of 10, 10 being the easiest, I would say this is an 8.
8? Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty easy, pretty simple.
What's the estimated time?
The estimated time for this one, 9 minutes.
9 minutes.
If you have a good team, you have a good crew, 9 minutes.
Oh God.
9 minutes. You heard it here first. 9-minute install.
This one has to be stripped.
Which one?
The LED one.
Go. Okay.
Works.
Holy shit. Thank God. How do you rate it, Ruben?
I don't know.
Bright? It's
Oh,
proper.
It's so bright.
How do you like it, Dylan?
Super bright. I like it. It matches with the DRL.
It's awesome.
I'm gonna be blinding people. I'm not even gonna
Fuck,
lie.
these are gonna be
But-
blinding the drivers.
Yeah, I know, but it looks dope. Low profile headlights, 38 bucks. Makes the Miata look aggressive. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it.
I really like it.
Just make sure you have your goggles when you look at it.
The shades.
Ready?
All lights done. Moment of truth. Adrian, do the honors. Oh, there it is. Jeez, super bright. Hella bright. I like it. It's starting to rain right now, though. Just in time. Alright, y'all, so we're continuing where we left off from. In the last step, we did install the LED lights on the Miata, but they were actually hella bright. If I was behind you and you didn't have your shades on, you didn't have the Cartiers, you didn't have the Ray-Bans, you would actually go blind. They were super bright. From a driver's standpoint, the lighting output was perfect, but it was just hella bright. So I found a solution. Check this out. Okay, so my solution to the LED lights being super bright, I ended up getting some headlight tint film. So these two right here. So this one right here is light smoke, this is dark smoke. I ended up installing it. This one right here is the dark smoke, is black in the housing. That's how it looks. And then on this side we got the light smoke. You can still see the LED lights. This one is just like pitch black. So now let's turn on these lights. Got the key. Set this. So this is what it looks like. You got the dark smoke here, and then you got the light smoke. So on camera, this actually looks really good, but you actually can't get that much light output. This one right here, it still hurts your eyes, but it's much better than no tint at all. So I'm kind of blind right now just by looking at it, but what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go for the light smoke. That way I can get some lighting output. And also when you install these lights, you no longer have high beams. So shout out to the channel, high beams. So the better light output is better for me, and that way at night I can see perfectly. So this dark smoke gotta go. It's time to say goodbye. Let's peel this off. So dark you can't even see the light, but here you go. No more dark smoke. Boom, just like that. So now we have no tint and the light. I just want to see this real quick. So this is what light smoke looks like, and this is what no tint looks like. Still pretty much similar, but this is definitely better. Alright, so all you gotta do here is just paste the film on it. Make sure there's no bubbles, and then you cut it out. So I'm just gonna cut it out, and then we're done here.
A few moments later.
So here it is. Both sides are finally tinted. Let me turn it on for y'all. So results. Looks pretty good. Much better than before. Put these down. All complete over here. Miata is permanently sleepy. Looks super aggressive. I like it. So that's gonna do it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Miata is coming along. It's looking so good. Look at that. No complaints. It's been running good. Stay tuned for the coils. I'm sad that it didn't work out. The bolts were seized, but we'll crack at it again when we get the time. So stay tuned for that. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Follow us on Instagram at HighBeamsCrew. Follow the merch at highbeams.ca. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.